Welcome back to BK42 Cycles. Today we are diving deep into the Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 folding e-bike that looks promising. But does it deliver? Well, let's find out. Just to clarify, Engwe sent me this bike for testing and I'm free to share my honest, unbiased thoughts about it. The Engine Pro 2.0 arrived securely packed in a large and sturdy box, and assembly was a breeze, as you'll see in my step-by-step guide right here. The new Engine Pro 2.0 is similar to other Engwe models, with a solid, well-built frame, high-quality paint finish, and a smooth riding experience. The motor delivers strong power when needed, and the overall ride is comfortable, making it an excellent choice for daily commuters and delivery services. Thanks to its foldable design, it's also easy to store or transport. However, it's worth noting that this is not a compact bike. It's noticeably larger in person than it might appear in photos. Let's dive into the details, starting with the motor. The hub motor is quiet yet powerful, delivering a reliable boost whenever I needed it. While Engwe's website doesn't specify the motor's exact power, I'd estimate it to be at least 500 watts. It does have a torque rating of 75 Nm, which is definitely noticeable when climbing hills or carrying extra cargo. I can't tell the motor's brand though. I also unlocked the speed cap and, with some pedaling assistance, I reached a maximum speed of 48.7 km/h, which is pretty impressive for this bike. Just like Engwe's other folding e-bikes, the battery is housed inside the frame and can be charged either on the bike or removed for charging elsewhere. It's a 52 volts, 16 amp-hour battery without a specified brand. The website claims a range of up to 110 km per charge. However, riding mostly at pedal assistance levels 3 and 4 with minimal pedaling, I managed to get about 84 km on a single charge. Not bad, though notably less than the stated 110 km. I'm pretty sure that riding at levels 1 and 2 and pedaling more often would help increase the range. It takes approximately 5 to 6 hours to fully charge the battery. When the battery runs out, you can still cycle back home thanks to the Shimano Alto's 8-speed drivetrain. However, I'll be honest, despite the comfortable riding position and good ergonomics, riding this bike over long distances without motor assistance isn't exactly easy. It weighs 33.2 kilograms, so it's not the lightest or easiest bike to pedal. As for sizing, this bike fits riders between 164 cm and 189 cm tall and can support up to 150 kilograms. The aluminum folding frame follows the classic design, but the 2.0 version introduces some innovation in the rear fork. The build quality is solid and the welds are well executed. It definitely feels sturdy. Folding the bike isn't the easiest at first, but it gets easier with practice. To fold it, simply release the folding mechanism and fold the bike like this. The bike operates only when the key is inserted. The long stem neck and the aluminum pedals are also foldable. It's classified as a mountain bike with full suspension. The front suspension can be locked or unlocked, and the rebound is adjustable. However, the rear shock feels a bit too stiff for my riding style, and unfortunately, it offers no adjustments. It's more on the budget side in terms of suspension quality. The handlebar height is adjustable to help you find the most comfortable riding position. The handlebar itself is compact, with the front brake, control buttons, and thumb throttle with an attached horn button on the left. On the right side, you'll find the rear brake and gear shifter. In the center is a bright, colorful display that shows all the essential information, including current speed, battery status, trip distance, and various bike settings. There are 5 levels of pedal assistance, ranging from 0 to 5. The pedal assistance is responsive and reacts quickly. I'd especially like how the torque sensor manages the power delivery. For example, when using level 1, the bike doesn't suddenly accelerate too rapidly as soon as I start pedaling, which makes for a much smoother and more comfortable ride. The lights are integrated into the system as well. The front light is activated by pressing the up button for a couple of seconds and is quite powerful. The rear light also functions as a brake light even if the front light is off. Another great upgrade in the Engine Pro 2.0 is the hydraulic brakes. It comes with two 160mm rotors and motor cut-off sensors for added safety, and they're designed to be operated with just 2 fingers. While the hydraulic brakes work well and are quiet, they're not from top-tier brands and, in fact, aren't even branded at all. That said, for an e-bike in this price range, it's definitely a great addition. The all-terrain 20x4 inches Kenda fat tires do a great job of absorbing road impact, making it easy to ride off-road as well. Riding on wet surfaces is no problem either, and the magnesium wheels add a sporty touch to the bike. To keep the rider clean and dry, the Engine Pro 2.0 is equipped with high-quality front and rear aluminum mudguards. The saddle, with its faux leather finish, is soft and comfortable, providing a smooth ride. The kickstand is sturdy and keeps the bike upright, even on windy days. Lastly, the rear rack not only looks great but is also practical, with a weight capacity of up to 25 kilograms. Let's take a look at the pros and cons of the new Engwe Engine Pro 2.0. Pros: powerful 75 Nm high torque hub motor, very good 52V 16 Ah removable battery, good hydraulic brakes, full suspension, integrated rear and front headlights, torque sensor for smooth assistance, sturdy, foldable frame, comfortable riding position, high quality paint job with 3 new color options, practical rear rack, great price for the features. Cons: rear shock is a bit stiff, it could have a branded 20 Ah battery for even better range. As of the time I recorded this video, the Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 is priced at €1,449 with free delivery to both Europe and the USA, and it comes with a 12-month warranty. I've got a special deal for you. Use the code BK42 to get an extra €100 off when you order through the affiliate link in the description. BK42 seal of approval. Absolutely. The Engwe Engine Pro 2.0 is a fantastic upgrade from its previous version. It's a very comfortable, durable, and affordable folding electric bicycle. Plus, it's fully compliant with European e-bike regulations, making it a great option for anyone looking for an easy ride or a small cargo bike.
Alright, that's it folks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, cheers!